Hi, welcome to Eileen Who Got Yoga. Today is day 17. I'll be teaching equal breathing or Sama Vritti in Sanskrit. So basically it's a form of a breathing exercise wherein we try to observe the inhales and the exhales to be equal to each other. And I find this very useful nowadays, especially with what we're going through right now. It's very important that you know how to breathe properly. Let's start in a seated pose. You can come to any seated pose. You can be on a chair. You don't have to be on a yoga mat. But whatever position you will be, make sure that your spine is upright. And then you can close your eyes throughout the practice, or you can just start to look down at one spot where you are not going to be bothered. Or you can look at the screen if that feels good for you. Otherwise, you can find a spot in front of you that will help you focus for today's practice. Okay, let's start here first. Take a deep breath. Inhale through nose. Feel the belly, ribs and chest rise on an inhale. And then on an exhale, allow your body to relax. Inhale, let your belly rise, ribs rise, chest rise. On an exhale, chest goes down. Open your mouth and exhale everything out. One more of that. Inhale through nose. And then exhale with your mouth open. Okay, now let's start practicing Sama Vritti or equal breathing. So I will count your inhale and the exhale. So Sama Vritti basically means, Sama means equal. Vritti means flow. So even if I count 1, 2, 3, try to create a smooth exhale or inhale. Alright? So try not to make the breath staggered, and then try to connect your inhale to your exhale and make it into one whole cycle. Okay, let's start here. Exhale everything out. Just breathe through your nose. Inhale. 1, 2, 3. Exhale. 1, 2, 3. Inhale. 1, 2, 3. Exhale. 1, 2, 3. Inhale. 1, 2, 3. Exhale. 1, 2, 3. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. Exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then just continue to breathe. Inhale. Exhale. Continue breathing. One more breath. Hands in front of your heart. Practicing gratitude always. It's a good way for us to start or end the practice. And for now, of course, it's a Monday. It's a good way for us to start the week. Namaste. How was that for you? Were you able to breathe until 8 breaths? So observe how your breath was throughout the practice. You think by counting up to 5, you're already starting to hold your breath instead of a smooth inhale and a smooth exhale. That's really normal if you're new to controlling your breath. Eventually, if you keep on practicing equal breathing, you are able to distribute your breath and also improve your breath capacity. So the more that you practice this, the more that you're able to lengthen your inhale and your exhale, and hopefully one day you'd be able to get to that 8 counts of inhale and exhale. Thank you for practicing yoga with me. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. You can also check out more yoga videos and follow me in my Facebook and Instagram.